Welcome to RAS Engineering. Our mission is to support building owners and managers with top-tier engineering services, ensuring your property remains safe and code compliant. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of creating specifications for repair in a typical South Florida restoration project. The first step in creating restoration specifications is the condition assessment. If the project is a requirement for the milestone inspection or the 40-year recertification, we have videos going over those inspections linked below. Any general restoration will go as follows. The engineer conducts a thorough site assessment to evaluate the current condition of the building and to identify areas that need repair, replacement, or enhancement. The engineer then documents findings with detailed notes and photographs, creating a comprehensive baseline of the building's condition. Next, the engineer defines the scope of work for repairs. This involves outlining the specific tasks, materials, and inspection plan needed for the restoration project. The engineer meets with ownership to discuss their goals and priorities for the restoration. Owner criteria on the desired lifespan or durability of the repairs affects the warranty cost and means and methods, which leads to a cost savings or increase. Based on the initial assessment and client input, the engineer creates a detailed plan that specifies what work will be done, including structural repairs, cosmetic improvements desired by the owner, and any necessary upgrades to meet current building codes. The heart of the restoration process lies in the technical specifications and project manual. These documents provide precise instructions for the contractors to bid. The engineer specifies the materials to be used and the methods for their installation. This ensures consistency and quality across the project in line with the durability desired by the owner. The engineer makes sure all specifications comply with local building codes and industry standards, especially considering the unique climate and environmental conditions in South Florida. The engineer then prepares the project manual, including the bid sheet, for contractors pre-approved by the owner. The bid process and approval from ownership are required before any work begins. Ownership first reviews bid sheets from licensed general contractors and interviews them in order to select one for the project. The engineer works closely with the selected general contractor to ensure they fully understand the specifications and can execute the action plan effectively. After ownership negotiates with the selected contractor, the engineer updates the bid sheet and specifications, making any necessary adjustments based on their feedback. Once the contractor agreement is settled with ownership, drawings and permit documents are produced by the engineer of record. The hired contractor then submits the permit application, drawings, and permit documents to the building department in order to pull the permit. After receiving the approved permit card from the building department, the contractor will schedule a kickoff meeting with ownership and the engineer of record to commence construction. The construction process and construction supervision are covered in the next video linked below. We invite you to submit your video questions. Check out our Ask RAS videos packed with valuable engineering tips. If you need to hire an engineer, don't hesitate to request a complimentary building evaluation by clicking on the big red button. We're here to help you on your next project.